Hi, I'm Ben, Managing Director of Impact Subsea, and today we're doing a short filming of seaView v3 and the ISA500 application. When you first run seaView, you'll be presented with this screen here. On the left-hand side, you have a list of applications within seaView, and on the right-hand side, you have a list of all communication ports and network connections on your PC. When you first run seaView, seaView will automatically scan all communication ports at every known baud rate. It will then automatically detect any sensors connected to your computer. In this example here, two sensors have been detected. One is the ISS360 sonar, and the other is the ISA500 altimeter, as shown in the center of the screen. Double-clicking on the tab will automatically take you into the ISA500 application. Now in the application, the top left-hand corner, you've got the distance reading. Also reported is the temperature of the ISA500's internal electronics. And if you have an ISA500 with integrated heading, pitch and roll, you'll also get heading, pitch and roll readings and a little 3D model of the sensor to show you how it's orientated at any one time. In the middle of the screen, you've got a graph, which is basically showing distance measurements over time. And on the left-hand side of the screen, you have a number of icons. Now if we start with the top icon, the ISA500 is a highly configurable altimeter. You can configure many parameters. So if we return to the main screen, if we look at the left-hand side again, there's a ping button, so you can manually trigger a ping from the sensor. There's also a ping rate. At any time, you can enable a log file by clicking here, and it'll just record all the ISA500 readings to a log file and timestamp them. You can clear the graph data here if you want to start afresh. You've got display options, so you can set exactly which parameters you want to be showing on screen. And the last item I'll show you here is the multi-echo output capability. So if you click Show Multi-Echo, it'll bring up another graph at the bottom of the screen. You can click and make this graph a bit larger. And this graph will essentially show you every single return that ISA500 sees from a single pulse being sent out. So it gives you a good appreciation of exactly the acoustic environment in which the ISA500 finds itself. Or if you want to make multiple measurements to different targets that fall within the 6-degree conical beam from the ISA500, this is a good way to do it. One other item to consider, on the right-hand side of the screen, we have a graph options button. And this allows you to edit the graph display. So you can turn off the fill, you can have it draw points for every ping, you can turn off draw lines. You can basically alter things to get the exact graph that you want to have on screen. That concludes the ISA500 software application overview. If you have any questions regarding this, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@impactsubsea.co.uk.